In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view multiple calendars side by side in Google Calendar. Managing schedules can be a challenge, especially when you're juggling appointments, tasks, and reminders across different calendars. So let's dive right in and make it easier for you to organize and visualize your busy life. First, you want to head over to Google Calendar, open up your browser and type in calendar.google.com or just search for Google Calendar if that's easier for you. Once you're on the landing page, you'll be greeted by your primary calendar view. This is your hub for all things scheduling, but we want to take it a step further by bringing in multiple calendars that you might have access to. Next, it's time to select the calendars you want to compare. Imagine you've got your personal calendar, a work schedule, and maybe a club event calendar, all going on at the same time. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the sidebar. Here, you have two sections to focus on: My Calendars and Other Calendars. Each of these sections contains a list of the calendars you own or have subscribed to. Now move on to the crucial step where you decide which calendars you'd like to display. Simply check the box beside each calendar you'd like to view by clicking on it. This is a very visual process. You'll see the checked calendars start displaying their events right in your calendar view. Each calendar is color-coded, making it easy to distinguish between them. This becomes incredibly helpful when understanding your schedule at a glance and avoiding any potential overlaps. Once you've selected all the calendars you wish to view, you'll immediately see all your events, tasks, and appointments displayed side by side on the main calendar interface. This integration allows you to switch easily between single and multiple calendar views by just checking or unchecking those boxes whenever needed. It's that simple and efficient. With your calendars now harmonized into one coherent view, you can go about your life knowing you've got all your commitments laid out clearly. This method not only saves you time, but also ensures you won't miss any crucial appointments or end up double booked. That's it. You're all set to efficiently manage and view multiple calendars side by side on Google Calendar. Now, whether it's balancing personal and professional commitments or just getting a better overview of your week, Google Calendar has you covered. Don't forget to explore a bit more, try different color codes, and personalize the view to suit your preferences. If you found this video useful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.